In this video, I will show you how to open your frozen car in winter.
Yeah, so it has opened. As you guys can see, I finally opened.
Ah, you got it.
Yes, I got it.
That's good.
Yeah. My car is frozen, so I'm going to use the De-Icer windshield wash to open it, and I'll show you. Here's the De-Icer in a small container that I'm going to use. Alright, as you can see, my key is not able to enter, and to open it, turn it to the right. Turn the key to the right, but it's not able to open. There's some ice that has frozen inside, cannot turn either way. Since I have no something to warm up, the lighter to warm up my key, what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip it inside the De-Icer that I just got from my house. So dip the key inside the De-Icer, then I'm going to put it in here. You just have to keep pushing. Dip it in again. And if you can see, the key is going inside, it's breaking the ice, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. So I just keep turning it. Alright, so it's going inside. It's just going to take a little bit of time here with my De-Icer. Now get ready, but the key is going in gradually, so hopefully we should be able to open. Alright. Man, still struggling to break the ice inside.
Morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Stuck in the thing?
No, it's frozen.
It's frozen?
Yes.
Oh. That's not good.
Yeah, it's just wasting my time here. Time that I need a remote starter to be warming up the car. Alright, so I'll keep dipping it into the De-Icer as we go, and we should have some success here with time.
Is it working?
Yeah, it used to work, so I'm hoping it will work today.
Let me run in a bit. I've got some WD-40, and that should open it.
Oh, okay.
Be right back.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so one of my neighbors is going to come with WD-40 to come and help here. But for the last two weeks ago, I was using De-Icer to open it. But for some reason, it's just taking some time today. Oh. Yeah, so, but if we were going to do it for some time, yeah, so it has opened, as you guys can see. It finally opened.
Ah, you got it.
Yes, I got it.
That's good.
Yeah, but it's going to freeze again.
Yeah, it's